Okay, so this is another quick tutorial about how to set up an altcolor ROM, which is basically a coloured DMD for a table that would otherwise have a pinmame ROM in it. Using visual pinball on a Batocera front-ended cabinet. This is a 3-screen display I'm using at the moment, so I'll just click on this Bad Cats table here, which is using a pinmame ROM as standard. This will just show you, give you a better idea. It will work on a 2-screen setup as well, but this one is a 3-screen, just so it gives you a better idea of what it looks like, because I've got a separate DMD on that third monitor. So basically, as you can see there, credits 1, press start. If I was to press start now, and then I'll fire the ball. And as you can see, that's working, and that's what it would look like with a standard pinmame ROM. Right, so I'm going to quit that now and show you how it would change when I've put the altcolor ROM in it. I'm going to press F1 on my keyboard to bring up this. I'm going to click ROMs, Visual Pinball. Now, I've already set one up here with an alt-color folder. I'm going to just cut that and I'm going to paste it into my Bad Cats folder here. Now, I will explain all this. It doesn't matter about that part. It just saves me typing in quite a bit of stuff. So basically here we've got a folder where I've had to create called altcolor. It's the American spelling of colour. So ALTCOLOR. And then inside that is the name of the ROM that this table uses. Now, if you're unsure about that, you can drop in the amount of ROMs that, if you're unsure about them, put them in the ROM folder. So in here I've got 4 ROMs because I wasn't sure which one the table uses. And then once you've run the table once, if you check in the MVRAM folder, you'll see there that it's using the L5 ROM. So basically, this here, if you click on it, press rename, copy, but don't rename it, press cancel, come back out, go into here and you can create a folder, create a new folder, and you can call it, by pasting what we've just put, we'll get the right name of the ROM there on the folder. So there you see this was the L5 folder, and then within that you have to put exactly the same file, but the only file that Batocera will recognise is the .crz file. So you have to get .crz files for your altcolor ROMs. So basically, that's the file there. It's within a folder of exactly the same name. And then that's within a folder called altcolor. Now, I have folders enabled as regards of a separate table goes in its own folder. Absolutely everything is in that folder. You need to set that up in your standard settings, game settings. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So we've got the altcolor there, we've got the CFZ, the INI file, the NVRAM, the ROMs, and your table with its back glass or whatever else you need to use, the script or whatever. I'm going to quit out of this now. And I'm just going to show you inside the game settings, the per system configuration, and Visual Pinball X, and that there, the Perth table folder, is the thing that you will have to enable if you want to have everything together for one table within its old folder, which I've just set it up as. Come back out of this now. Now what I'm going to do now, because I've just brought that alt color folder in the Bad Cats folder, when I click on Bad Cats now, it will no longer use that pinmame ROM standard. It's going to use the DMD coloured version. So if you watch now on the back glass, the DMD, sorry, you will note that there's a bit of a change. Now there is no sound set up on this at the moment. I've disabled the sound just so you can hear me waffling on. So there you go, as you can see now, that looks far prettier. If we drop in a couple of coins and press start. And there, we're in now. DMD is working fine. As you can see, and that's using the altcolor DMD. So basically it's a pretty simple process for any table that you're using. If you've got it set up to be using the DMD either on the second monitor or as I have at the moment on that third monitor, it's going to work fine. Just make sure that the table file DMD is renamed exactly the same as the ROM that the table's actually using. So basically that's it guys for that one. It's a very quick tutorial and I'll see you on the next one.